5 important tips on how to exchange a business card. Hi geniuses, it's a life hack back again, the place to learn the skills for real life. Today we are going to discuss on how to exchange a business card. If you have any suggestion regarding the life skill to be made, suggest us in a comment box. Now let's get started. Number 5. Stop giving excuses. The very first thing that you need to keep in mind that when it comes to a business card etiquette is stop giving excuses. It is so unprofessional when you end up telling another person that oops, I forget the cards. So unprofessional. Always make sure to carry your cards before leaving your house or your workplace. Number 4. Keep your cards safe. Make sure that your cards are always clean and crisp with no frayed edges or paint marks. It means that you need to protect your card in all the wear and tear by keeping them in a business card case. Likewise, if any of your information had changed, ensure that you print a new cards. Business card with a word scratch gives an impression of disorganization. Number 3. Do not distribute. Do not distribute cards like you would distribute flyers. Just because you are at the business event does not mean that you should be passing out business cards like a free toffees. Hand them out when someone asks for it, while giving cards to the right person at the right time. Number 2. A way to give out and receive cards. Give and receive a business card with both your hands. When giving a business card, ensure that your contact information points toward the recipient. Or you can give and receive cards with your right hand as well. Always make comment about the card when you receive it, like the logo or a business name. Informal meetings are one of the best times to network and exchange of business cards. Always give one business card to your new contact. Leaving 2 or 3 may look like asking them to make contacts for you. When accepting a business card, have a good look at it for a few seconds. Place the cards you receive in a plain notebook or in a business card case. Never place a card in a wallet because it shows a disrespect and lack of organization. Number 1. Request for business cards. When you first meet someone, it's acceptable to request a business card from them. However, if a person is of a higher position than yourself, you should wait for them to offer their card to you first. Remember, if they want to have a card, they will give you one. You should wait for the opportunity to come naturally. These were all about a business card etiquette. Hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching.